Hello everyone. So today we are going to discuss about the environment variable setup. So in the previous lecture we have downloaded the Maven 3.9.5. Okay. If you downloaded 3.9.9, that is also fine. Okay. And the second one I have downloaded JDK 11.0.11. So you just need to download the JDK 11 one. And after that we have downloaded uh, Visual Studio Code as well as we have downloaded IntelliJ IDE, right? So though both the things we'll use later, like when we'll create the project, another thing we'll use that later part. Okay. For now, suppose that if you have downloaded this one, and I already install our AEM server as well as here, and after that if I'm going here, suppose that, so it is asking me to create basically to log in. Okay, so if I'll log in this one, it will redirect us to start.html. Okay, so we'll see this portal here. So the next part for us is that how to do the environment variable setup for Java as well as Maven. Okay. So let me go to the, we just need to search here first, uh, environment variable, like system variable, we just need to search and we just need to open that. Okay. So after that, you can see we are getting the environment variable setup. So first one we have here Java. It is part of, it is present in program file and other things. So I just added the same path here. So I have added this path here basically wherever we have Java 11. So I just added this path. Okay. And after that I just added this one here. The second one we have Maven one. I already added the Maven one here. If I go here, so the second one we have Maven, so I install the Maven in D drive. Okay, already, so you can see I copy and pasted it here. So I just added this path 3.9.51. And after that, this particular same thing, we just need to this particular, I have added Java underscore home there, and I have added the whole path here. And for Maven, I have added Maven underscore home. I added the path in the path variable. So we just need to, I'm just editing this one. Within this path variable, we just need to add percentage Maven percentage Maven underscore percentage slash bin, because we just need to add till bin path. Okay, we just need to add the same thing I have done for Java and underscore home also, and I have added till bin. Okay, the same thing, bin path you can directly edit here also, but I have added in the path variable itself. Okay, so this is the one. In this way we have already set up the environment variable. Suppose that if I now check the Maven as well as Java version, we'll able to do that. Okay, so let me go to CMD first, and we'll open as a run as a this one, then as a administration. So first we'll what we'll try, but what we'll do is that we'll type mvn hyphen v. Okay, so we should able to get the Maven version here. So Maven I'm getting 3.9.5. If I'll type the Java version here, Java dash version, so we'll able to get the Java version 11.0.11. Okay, so after setting up the environment variable, we just need to check this one. If we are getting these two things, it means that our environment variable has been set up. We are proceed with the project creation another part. Okay, so let me know if you have any doubt in the comment section, and thank you for watching this video.